In this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how you can schedule emails and then send them at a preferred time, whether you would be online or you not be online. Your scheduled emails are going to be sent. I'm going to show you how to schedule these emails on Gmail. So Gmail is the most used email system in the world right now. That's why I'm using Gmail. So now let's hop on our PC and then let me show you guys how to do this. So just like you want to send a mail to everybody, you just tap on the compose and you enter their Gmail and everything here. So now let's move to the scheduling part. So to schedule an email, you tap on this side. You can see more send options. You get it. When you tap on the send, you are going to send it immediately. So when you tap on the more send options, tap on that and you can see schedule a send. Good. So you can see this morning, this afternoon, blah blah blah. Choose and pick a time, so you can schedule it ahead of time, even a week time or something like that. So today is 24th, and let's say I'm sending it to America. So we are ahead of them. So I think to send it to them around 9 a.m. in American time, I think it should be 1 p.m. here. So let me choose 1 p.m. 1, and let me make the A, let me make it a P. Good. So 24th and then 1 p.m. and I'm sending it at 3:04 a.m. You get it? So now let me schedule the send. Good. So it's been scheduled. So you can see here scheduled. I have one scheduled email here, and they'll be showing you the time that this email will be sent. So this email is scheduled to be sent for 1:04 p.m. 24th, which is today. So that's it on how you schedule an email on Gmail. So that's it for the video. I have a couple tutorials on Gmail. You can check my channel for that. That's it for the video. Once again, if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.